Whether it is the jungles, deserts, mountains, or the underwater world, our planet is filled with the millions of animals inhabiting these pieces of land. While all of them are wonderful and wow-worthy, some animal species stand out in any surrounding thanks to their colors, unusual patterns, and other crazy adaptations. Many of these adaptations may look freakish, but nature has bestowed these animals to survive in their tough world. These animals are generally not seen in zoos or your backyard. So we have picked 9 animals with strange, unique, and weird features. Let us take you through them. Blue-footed boobies. These birds can be captivating not for the colors on the body, but because of their bright blue feet. Probably straight out of some shoe advertisement. The blue-footed boobies are found along the Pacific coast of Middle and South America. The blue feet is not only good to look at, but they have a purpose in their lives. The brighter color of blue is associated with youth, fertility, and higher competence. During the courtship dance, the male will show off the brightness of his feet to impress the female. Females are inclined to select those males as their partners who have the brightest blue feet. Vietnamese mossy frog. In these moss-covered mountainous rainforest in northern Vietnam, there is an amphibian hiding that you will find hard to spot. This frog can easily blend into its surroundings. The green color and the small rounded projection allow them to easily blend into the moss-covered rocks found in this rainforest habitat. Birds of paradise. While these birds physically might not look unique, when they dance, they can give a tough fight to any human dancer. The incredible formations, vibrant colors, tails, and peculiar dancing styles make the birds of this jungle extremely special. There are many different species of birds of paradise living in the forest of Southeast Asia. And in each of these species, male members perform extraordinary dance moves to impress their females. We have done a separate video on bird of paradise. You can find a link in the description. White peacocks. We all love and recognize peacocks for their bright and ornamental feathers. But what if they don't have any colors? These white peacocks look equally stunning. Native to India, these white peacocks are born with a genetic condition called leucism that causes a lack of pigment in their feathers, but not in their eyes. In fact, at birth, white peacocks usually have a pale yellow coloration, and as they mature, their feathers became whiter. White peacocks have cultural and religious significance as they are believed to bring luck, prosperity, and well-being. Stonefish. What do you see here? Pieces of stone and corals. One among them is actually a stonefish. While we know that underwater world is full of many unique creatures, this one is special because of its ability to deceive anyone. Looking like a rock, stonefish are masters of camouflage and can perfectly blend with their surroundings. They are typically found in coastal regions of the Indo-Pacific. While the camouflage gives them protection from predators, its primary purpose is to allow stonefish to ambush their prey. Interestingly, the reef stonefish is the most venomous fish on the planet, and it is one of the few fish that possesses a powerful venom that can be lethal to even humans. The venom is found on their spines, which are located on top of their body. Magnificent frigate bird. Do you think this bird is holding a heart-shaped balloon for its Valentine? Funny enough, though it is not a physical red balloon, but its purpose is to spread some love by impressing their partners. The male species of this bird have bright red pouches under their throats, which they expand during their courtship period to attract a female. The red balloon is called a gular sac, and it takes them about 20 minutes to inflate. The magnificent frigate bird is found in the southern United States, Mexico, and the Caribbean. These birds have a wingspan longer than most humans, of about 7 to 8 feet. Often they fly for very long periods, and being seabirds, they mainly feed on marine animals. The interesting bit is that these birds don't hunt for their own prey, instead harass and chase other birds to steal food from them. Flying lemur. With the size of a cat, webbing like a bat, face like a squirrel, and being related to primates, these are extremely peculiar creatures. Flying lemurs are arboreal gliding mammals that are native to Southeast Asia. Like a bat, their limbs are connected to a membrane of skin. With their outstretched limbs, a flying lemur can glide up to 70 meters distances between trees. The folds of the membranes also help mothers carry their babies when clinging to a tree. Tarsiers. These unique physical features give these little creatures a unique alien-like appearance. They are one of the smallest primates in the world that can easily fit in the palm of a human hand. Tarsiers are native to Southeast Asia. Their large eyes make them so unique, cute, and wonderful. Tarsier eyes are the biggest of any mammal relative to their body weight, and in some cases larger than their entire brain. We have done a detailed video, we will put the link in the description. Pangolin. The scaly skin gives these creatures a unique appearance and identity. Though many of us think of them as reptiles, pangolins are mammals and are found in Asia and Africa. Pangolins eat ants, termites, and larvae and are often known as scaly anteaters. Those scales are often used by them to protect themselves from predators in the wild. If under threat, a pangolin immediately rolls up into a tight ball and uses its sharp scaled tails to defend itself. Unfortunately, these scales are to their detriment as well, as humans kill these animals for their skins. In fact, pangolins are the most trafficked mammal in the world for their meat, traditional medicines, and leather. This small sample is only a highlight of our incredibly diverse planet. As you saw how different environmental conditions have given rise to different characteristics of these animals that make them look weird and wonderful. Many animals in the underwater world and species still waiting to be discovered can be even more weirder or strange. But the crux of the matter is that it is time that we appreciate the beauty of our Mother Nature and take steps to conserve them. Thank you.